Well, it's getting crowded here because I am a video production company. Let me turn on the studio lights, aka my fluorescent lights. Anyways, it's Christmas came early, so let's perform an unbox to me. This is from Lee Valley, Canada. And I believe there's no Chinesium here. Can you read that? Cool, because I don't actually care. Oh yeah, this stuff. It's very earth friendly. We're gonna put that there. So, a box from Mirka. I don't own any of this, but supposedly this is the catalog of Sanders. I bought the 6-inch, and I just want to, well, we're finding out together what comes in here, but I think they call it, what do they call this? Skytainer, and the other company calls them sustainers or whatever. How is a box, but it's good quality box. Some extra sandpaper, some screws, manual. Yeah, I'm running out of room fast. I believe this is for the hose. This is an adapter plate for the vacuum, the box to attach to the vacuum, I guess. Has some parts, and 2 of those, and of course instructions. Moving on. This is a kit from Lee Valley that comes with 50, I believe, 50 pieces of Abranet sandpaper and 4 different grids. This is 150. 120, 180, and hoping this is 80, yes. So that's that. And let's see what this guy is about. That would be the Mirka hose. Okay. I'm doing this too. This is a 1632 Super Max drum sander by Laguna. I'm not gonna open up that for a couple days for other reasons, but just in case you're hoping for that, that's not it. This is about Mirka. More of this stuff. We actually cut the shred this and use it in the compost. You know, normally those people that do this are yakking the whole time because they're influencers, you know. But since I'm not trying to influence you, I'm just showing you what comes with this. In the unboxing process. Nice looking machine. So there is two models of this. They have one that has got like an automatic filter cleaner, and this one you're supposed to cover the hose and press here and cleans the filter. This kit, everything is I believe $1,700. That's Canadian money. And the other one with the automatic filter cleaner is $1,900 something. I was gonna buy that one, but they don't have it in stock, and I really don't care for that feature one way or the other, as long as I can clean my filter. I don't care how I do it. You know, we don't need to become lazy. We do build like handcrafted stuff, and then we're gonna be lazy about just cleaning the filter. I don't know. But anyway, so it wasn't about saving the money. If they had it, I would have bought it for the convenience. But since it wasn't in stock and everything takes forever to get here these days, so I just grabbed this. And yeah, it's part of, I started to make cutting boards and what are they called? Security boards. You know, these stupid things. And there's going to be a lot of sanding being done. I currently doing all the sanding outside, but you know, it's going to get cold. It's Canada. So anyways, that's what comes with the Mirka. This is a package. The 6-inch sander with the 5mm. Yes, with 5mm movement. They make one that is either 2 or 2.5 millimeters. That one is more for finishing, if you want to be picky about it. But this is, yeah, if you look around, there's not much room to do nothing. But I have to do a tour. I'm almost finished setting up, and there is a spot. This actually is gonna live under here in this corner, and the drum sander is gonna live right here, or where the other sander is over there, and they're gonna swap places. But everything actually does have its place, and this is my working area. Everything other than the lathe is on wheels. Ironically, that's the heaviest thing. I had the wheels, which cost a friggin' fortune, and I regret buying them. had the wheels for my lathe, but when this attaches to the lathe, this sticks out like 1.5 feet. And oh, sorry, I think Joe Biden wants some advice as to how to deal with the recession. So I gotta go. I'll talk to you soon. Ciao.